Hey guys, my name is Ivir and today is all about dressing for fall. So summer is unfortunately over and now we're into the fall season, not the winter yet, but the fall. And for that reason, I'll be showing you what I personally will be wearing this fall. The main focus for fall for me is thicker pieces, more layering, and stuff that can get dirty a bit less problematically, if you will, easier to clean. Before we get into it though, I would ask you to consider subscribing and liking the video as it helps out the channel so much. But yeah, let's just jump right into it. The first piece I'll be wearing is this M4A1 bomber jacket from the 50s. It has oil stains all over it. The ribbings are ruined, which I like. And the fit is immaculate on this. It has the perfect crop, the perfect width. It's not like a cinched in the waist type of bomber jacket. It's more wide and cropped, which I love. And yeah, just the perfect piece in my opinion. It just fits perfectly over pretty much all of my wide pants. And I seem to only wear wide pants. So this is one of my favorite pieces. Next up, we have a really special one. You might have seen it before, but this is the Rick Owens Jumbo Peter bomber jacket from fall/winter 22, I believe. Is it not? Yeah, fall/winter 22. This is perfect both for midwinter and fall, because now I can just layer it over a tank top and it's perfect. But in the winter, I can layer this over a hoodie or a sweater, and it just keeps me so warm. And yeah, it fits really cool, super oversized. It drowns me completely. It has like the protruding elbows, sort of like very typical of any Jumbo Peter type of piece from Rick Owens. And yeah, just a very special silhouette. It is absolutely incredible. We are showing a lot of jackets today, by the way. The next one is this orange leather bomber jacket. I believe it's the inside of a cow's stomach. I've been told, I'm not sure if that's true. You might have seen this in the vintage video, but this is an absolutely gorgeous piece of clothing. Super cinched in the waist, very short, cool zippers, cool details. The texture on the leather is incredible. And yeah, just a very muted orange, so it works so well with earth tones as well. And all black. This as like a pop of color, insane. And then we have one of my most worn jackets overall. This is more for the early fall for sure, unless I layer a lot under it. But this is the Somar Ives jacket. I just love what Owen is doing with Somar. He makes incredible stuff. And yeah, the quality on this for the price, I think it was like 450 bucks, I believe. Incredible quality. The grain on the leather and the way it's now getting a patina and aging perfectly. So good. And the fit is very timeless as well. It's not like a fashion-y cropped fit. It's more of like a little short, but not too much type of fit. So it's extremely timeless. I can wear this forever pretty much. And I just love how like deep of a black it is. It might not be visible in this light, but like this consumes light pretty much. It's very like void black, if you will. Then we have the insane Molino jacket from Rick Owens. This is from spring/summer 2003, I believe. Insane piece. The lamb leather is incredible. So soft to the touch. It's like butter. Fits very cool. I do actually want one of the Rick Owens Gary jackets that are just that tiny bit slimmer than this one. Or I could just go to a tailor with this one and get it just cinched in a bit in the waist. We'll see about that. Because right now it fits a bit looser in the waist, but then tight in my chest. But it's super long in the sleeves. The zipper closure with the diagonal line is insane. I'll show you that. So when it hangs open like this, it's absolutely gorgeous. I throw this over any wide pair of pants, at least a bit structure of a pair of pants, and it just works wonders. Yeah, cool piece. And tell me if you think I should get it tailored. And then we're done with jackets, so let's move over to pants. I only picked out 2 pairs, because you've seen most of my pants, I believe. But these are the Dirt Coopers from Rick Owens. They are insanely thick. I believe they are 16-ounce denim, and they're raw denim as well. So like you can see, these are very stiff. Super high-waisted, very long. I've removed, 16 centimeters and then cuffed them up, so they were extremely long. They were like made for the Kiss heels, I believe. They're a runway pair. They're one of the very few versions in denim. Yeah, Japanese selvage raw denim as well. So the quality is absolutely insane. I love these. And they're surprisingly versatile as well. Like these work well with oversized items hanging on top. They work with slimmer items tucked in. They work with slim and long items for some reason. And they work with most jackets as well. Both coats, crop bomber jackets, denim jackets, just everything, really. Incredible pair of pants. If you can get your hands on these, get them. And then we have my most worn pair of pants as of late. They are the Acne Studio Stone Black Twill trousers from their Fall Winter 24 collection. I found these in store and immediately just had to get them. My girlfriend actually also was like, you have to get those, and they fit perfectly. Very similar to the Acne Studios 23 jeans, just in more of like a soft cotton type of fabric. And the color is gorgeous on this. It's like almost like a purple gray brown type of hue, and with earth tones, this thing is, I cannot even describe it. They are perfect. Moving over to tops. First, we have my 1313 Sela hoodie. Incredible quality, such a thick hoodie. Love what they're doing. It's a Norwegian brand. They're mixing like Mexican Catholic culture, if you will, and then black metal, which is cool. They're doing really cool stuff. We went to their show the other day and it was incredible. It was such an insane experience, and pretty much no other Norwegian brand, at least that I want to support as much as them. And it's really cool. It fits really oversized, even though it's like a size 2 as well. Yeah, works as a jacket, works under jackets during winter. But now in fall, I will definitely just wear this over a tank top and I'll be very much good to go. Then we have my favorite overshirt, and that is this vintage leather shirt that I bought. I changed out the buttons on this because they were very much like a grandma's button type of thing. And now it looks more like a Rick Owens or Acne Studios sort of thing. The leather quality is really good, super soft, fits very oversized and long, and I absolutely love it. Works very much as like an overshirt or a light jacket at the moment. And this with like wide pants and then a slim tank top underneath. Sick. And then for the next piece, we have this Rick Owens Tommy tee. It has just become one of my most worn pieces. It just fits so comfortable. It just drowns me completely, but this with the widest pair of pants that I have, actually either or with these two. It works with flared pants, it works with jackets, it works over pretty much anything. It's just a surprisingly great layering piece as well. And it's thick, so it keeps me warm. Then for the second to last top, we have this shearling vest, which I have actually yet to wear a lot, but I want to wear it a lot. I actually got it almost a year ago. I just, for some reason, have not been wearing it that much. It's absolutely incredible. The shearling is so good. I believe it is from the 60s or 70s. It fits quite similar to like a Carhartt workwear vest. And the colors on it are really cool. Keeps me warm. I like to layer this over the Rick Owens tank top, especially the dust one. I need to wear this. And then probably the most expected piece of clothing in this video, the Rick Owens basic rib tank. I'm not gonna talk too long about this because I have been speaking about it a lot. Just the best layering piece in the world, in my opinion, especially within avant-garde clothing. But this works with everything. You put this over pants, you can tuck it in, you can have it under other shirts, you can have it under a hoodie, under jackets, you can layer 2 of them on top of each other. You can pretty much do anything with this. You can buy it small so it fits snug, you can buy large so it just really drapes beautifully. And yeah, probably the most versatile piece of clothing that I have ever owned. Simple as that. If you don't have one already, get it, and also in different colors as well. Then we have footwear, and I'm starting with the lightest pair. They are the Margiela Tabis, the babouche version. I want to get the most wear out of these before it gets too cold and the snow sets in Oslo. And yeah, they are just absolute perfection when it comes to like a sleek pair of shoes. They work with pretty much all of my pants as well, especially the Acne Studios jeans. Of course, got them resold. They're starting to like really break perfectly in as well. And yeah, I might wear these today. Then we have the second lightest pair of shoes. Believe it or not, they are the Cyclops boots. Of course, I have to wear these in the fall. These pretty much under any of my pair of pants just works wonders. Especially Rick Owens stuff. Like the Dirt Coopers are made almost for these, apart from the Kiss Heels, of course. These just make so much more sense in my wardrobe than a pair of Kiss Heels would. I can wear these with tapered pants and then just put them on top of the heel tab as well. That works surprisingly well. The sole is huge on these. I can see that I'm starting to wear it out a bit. Trying to not do that too fast. I need to get like some treatment on them as well. But yeah, my favorite pair of shoes. Easily. And then, of course, the bunny boots. Living in Norway, it gets extremely cold in the winter and the fall time is very rainy. So having the perfect boots for those seasons is just a must in my opinion. And I have not found a better pair Then the bunny boots. I even got these for like $200 as well, which is kind of insane now, because now they go for at least 400. They were and still are in pretty pristine condition. The graphics are still very much visible. Everything is intact, original laces. Could have bought them a size bigger, but they are absolutely incredible. These just fill out a pair of wide pants so well. Then the last piece is pretty simple. It's a beanie. Not the biggest beanie guy, but when I wear one, it is often this one. I like a chunky beanie, and this one can both be cuffed up like this, or it can fit really long and like very Rick Owensy, if you will, like this. And it is just a must-have in Norway, because like I said, it gets really cold. And yeah, those were all of the pieces I wanted to share with you today. Of course, I will be wearing other pieces of clothing, but these pieces are very symbolic of like a seasonal change for me. Because like a lot of thick pieces, finally we get to wear jackets again. Because even though it gets really cold in Norway, it also gets really hot in the summer. And then you just wear a tank top and flowy pants pretty much, which is what I've been wearing the last couple of months. And yeah, I'm looking forward to getting to wear these pieces. I've just pretty much this week or last week started to wear jackets again, pretty much. And I'm enjoying it. I really do like dressing for summer as well, because then you get to like just wear less and it's just comfortable and it's warm outside. But when that fall season comes and you get to wear your favorite jackets again, it is special. And you can put on boots, you can put on wide pair of pants, thick pants. It's just nice. But yeah. Those were all of the pieces for today. Hope you liked the video. Hope you got inspired to get some pieces or maybe some styling ways because of the B-rolls. But yeah, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Like I said in the beginning, we're really trying to build something special here. It's starting to work itself out a bit more. We're seeing a lot of you guys commenting very positive things. It's really beautiful to see. And yeah, we're trying to build a community of people who just want to become a better version of themselves and want to dress better. We got to do one step at a time, and it's going somewhere, which is fun. And yeah, subscribe if you want to join that journey, if you will. That sounded a bit corny. But anyways, have a great rest of the day, and thanks for watching.